In the storm, the tiny kitten floats helplessly. She leaps onto a wooden barrel, barely surviving alive. Rain pours heavily. Her bright eyes fill with fear. Shark fins appear, circling like silent shadows of doom. A giant shark lunges upward from the deep ocean. Waves crash hard, she slips and falls underwater suddenly. Sinking slowly down, darkness begins closing in quickly. A hand reaches out, bringing hope into between. The shark strikes fast, misses her by mere inches. She's pulled from ocean waves, barely breathing but alive. Tiny and soaked, she's finally safe at last. Stormy skies clear, revealing a new spark of hope.